Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to fit cam snaps with our ZYT Hand-Press pliers. First off, if you've got our cam snap die set, you'll see it comes with 2 top dies and 3 base dies. And now, these are the 3 base dies, and what they are is they are for different size caps. You've got T3, T5 and T8. We're going to be demonstrating on the T5s today, but both of the other sizes work exactly the same with the same top dies in the same sequence. So we'll start off, we'll be putting our plastic base die into the bottom of our plier. Just keep in mind that mine is clamped to a table. Yours doesn't have to be, but it's just easier for us doing it this way. We're going to take our cap, it's going to look like this with the spike, and that can just sit inside of that die. We're going to have this top die here, which is going to be the one, I'll call it with the larger metal insert into it. You'll see why when we get to our next top die. This is going to be for your female socket. So I'll screw this die into our plier. We can then take our leather that we have here. This is quite thin and I would use the material. I'm just going to push the leather hard against the cap so that spike should come straight through that material. And I'm going to take our female socket, which is what looks like this, and I'm just going to sit that over the top of that spike, and then we can just compress and that's your first half done. Cap on the back and your female socket. We'll change the top die over. Now this is our other top die. The metal part in the middle is slightly smaller than the one we used for our female socket. So again, we'll just screw that one straight into the top. Again, the cap goes onto the base. Just going to push the material onto the cap, and I'm going to sit our male stud over the top of that spike, and we're going to compress down again. And that should now snap together just like that.